Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is a really quick one. I just wanted to tell you guys about my new working holiday guide ebook. That's so many words. You know what I'm trying to say. Over the years of me being in Canada, I have learned so much about working holidays, IEC visas, that kind of thing. I feel really confident in the process now. However, 3 years ago or even 4 years ago, when I first started looking at the visa, I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. I had never heard of a lot of the terminology before. I didn't know the process. And then coming over to Canada, I didn't know anything as well. So I had to research so much. I literally spent hours and hours and hours trying to work out how to do everything. So over the years, I've been making YouTube videos and helping people move over here, which has been so awesome. But I wanted to put all the information in one spot for you guys so it's very easy to understand the process, because it is very overwhelming sometimes. It can get a little stressful and it's very time consuming. So if you don't have the time but you're very interested in doing a working holiday and you don't know where to start, my ebook is a perfect place to start. I think the price is very reasonable for the information you're getting. You're saving yourself a lot of time, a lot of stress. A single mistake in something like this can cost you big time, and I don't want that to happen to you guys. So if you've just started the process, you've only just heard of the word working holiday, my guide is perfect for you. The link will be in the description below. As soon as you buy it, you get instant access, and it'll give you the step-by-step on firstly understanding the IEC, how to get it, how to get a job and accommodation, how to pick a ski resort, and then everything you need to do to settle in Canada. So getting your bank account set up, your phone plan, your SIN, everything like that, that's really important, is all going to be laid out for you in that ebook. If you don't know, there are companies that help with this process. Those companies are very expensive. They're worth the money, obviously, because they help guarantee you a job and housing and they provide a lot of value. However, if you don't want to spend thousands of dollars on that, but you would like some extra help, I think the guide is a very affordable option for you. Again, all the information on the internet is there for you to understand this. However, if you don't have the time, if you're working full time and you just want a very quick and easy way to get all this information and ensure that it's the correct information, the guide is perfect for you. If you have any questions about the guide or any questions about doing a working holiday, please feel free to drop a comment below or message me on Instagram. I'm always happy to help. The link to get the ebook is in the description, and there's a lot of information on that page about what's included and anything else that you could need. So feel free to check that out there. Please make sure you subscribe if this is one of, oh my god, Please make sure to subscribe if this is one of the first videos you're seeing of me. I post a lot of working holiday content and I'm so happy to help. And yeah, if this is not your first time and you've been around a long time, I really appreciate you guys. It means a lot to me that you're still here watching, and it would mean a lot to me if you checked out my ebook and subscribed to my mailing list. And yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.